Hello, welcome to my today's tutorial. So today I'm going to talk about on how to enhance Windows performance. Step 1, check on your startup apps if they are running. Click on startup. So you can disable one by one the apps that you do want to disable. Mwaso Cortana you can disable. Step 2, the background apps, go to your privacy. Go to privacy, settings, then check on scroll downwards, click on the background apps, ensure the background apps are turned off. So it's very important when the background apps are turned off. If you turn them off, this ensures that all the background applications do not run to slow down your PC. But if you turn them off, it will enhance the speed. The third aspect or the third step is on power plan. Power and sleeping settings, additional power settings. Then you create a power plan. You click on high performance to increase the performance. Then you create one because already I have one. So there is no need for you for me to create another one. Okay. Then the fourth one is on it's on Windows updates. Check on Windows updates. So Windows updates are very important. Keep your Windows updates up to date as to prevent vulnerabilities. Because if you don't update and you don't schedule for the updates, because there is option for doing that down here, then you might be vulnerable either through flash disk injections, SDs, or hard disks, or also whenever you are on the network. And also this, whenever you've not done any update, your Windows performance is quite low. But if it is updated, then your Windows performance is enhanced. So number 5 is storage, which is quite key. You need to check on the storage partition, which part of the storage is much more occupied by the files. Then you can be able to easen up that part or that directory so that you don't exhaust your storage. Then also on part of that, instead of doing it manually, you can be able to use enable storage sense. So storage sense will do that for you, will free the space automatically for you. It's just you to plan or to schedule for the activity or for the event to happen by itself. So you can be able to event for your download directory or folder, you can be able to do that as well. You can also clean up the space by just clicking a button, clean now. It will not clean your files, but it will clean the temporary files. Then the sixth one is the task manager. Task manager. Through your task manager, you can disable apps that are running and you're not using them. You can disable them. Okay. You can end all this. You can be able to do. Okay. So also you can be able to check on your performance, PC performance in terms of CPU, memory, disk, Wi-Fi usage, and GPU. So quite detailed. You can also check on your services, the services that are running. Also, you can just stop the services if you want by just a click of button. The last one, you can use a command to be able to remove the temporary files by just clicking on Windows key plus R key. Then you type in this command here, %temp %, then it will direct you to a folder where the temporary file are stored. Then you can be able to highlight all that, then you delete. Once you delete, you go to your recycle bin, clean your recycle bin, delete all that is in the recycle bin, then you are good to go. Thank you.